The man behind Ethereum is worried about crypto's future. That's that guy, Vitalik.
Yes.
He's coming on this show one day. I don't know if you knew that. I actually DM'd him earlier. Well,
Really?
no. He's not a big NFT. You're gonna definitely connect on that.
He doesn't like.
No, he's a big NFT, but not what's going on right now.
Yes.
At least if you listen to this language, it sounds a lot like Willie Doo language. So there's one section that I want to highlight. I mean, they talked about crypto, they talked about money laundering, they talked about all kinds of problems in this particular interview. It's crazy. He's 28 years old. He's from around the corner. Got all this. He's carrying all this Ethereum on his back, crypto on his back. I don't know. Is there a more important personality in crypto right now? Willie Doo?
Elon?
Damn. Well, that's not really
markets.
It's not really fair though, because he's not actively working in crypto.
Right. Sure. Yeah.
Okay, we agree.
Mm-hmm.
Sweet. Yeah. So anyway, scroll down a little bit further. This is the cover, the Time cover. The Prince of Crypto has concerns. I like how direct that headline is. But the portion I want to look at is the part that's really going to matter to you, Will. A little bit further down. There you go, right there. Buterin worries about the dangers to overeager investors, the soaring transaction fees, and the shameless displays of wealth that have come to dominate public perception of crypto. The peril is, and this is his quote, the peril is you have these $3 million monkeys, and it becomes a different kind of gambling, he says, referring to the Bored Ape Yacht Club, an uber-popular NFT collection of garish primate cartoons that has become a digital age status symbol for millionaires, including Jimmy Fallon and Paris Hilton, and which have traded for more than $1 million a pop. Another quote from Vitalik, there definitely are lots of people that are just buying yachts and Lambos in the crypto equivalent. He got you, Will. You're a Vitalik guy. Look at you. You read, you like.
I support this.
You read,
I think
you like.
I think a lot of people would support this.
Or at least feel this way. That,
Yes.
like, wait a sec. No, hey, man. I saw even Snoop Dogg, who's getting into the NFTs with the
Death
Row. I even saw in his post, he's like, we're taking it back. We own the record label. We're doing the NFT. I think it's always the hashtag. It's like Death Row NFT. And I read the comments, and a lot of people are like, no, thank you. Enough NFT. Leave me alone. So I feel there is a little bit of resistance. It's not an all or nothing situation. And people ask me about this stuff. And then, do I need to be here in one way or another? And I'm like, listen, it's like a lot of other emerging things. 98% of it sucks and 2% of it might be cool and end up being something. So it's important not to overestimate. You may want to be a part of it, but recognize that there's tons of risk involved still. And if you were curious what Vitalik thought of the variety of apes that are out there, now you know.
Yeah, just getting rich quick as well.
Now you know. I mean, he even says a different kind of gambling, and COVID sort of just contributed to a lot of this. I mean, the gambling sites went out of control on the sports side. All of a sudden, tons. I mean, there's just so many people, so much interest. Crypto was like that. Mo starts investing. You go through the ups and downs of crypto NFT romance. You go from the honeymoon phase to practically divorce.
Well, the thing is, it's like this is a new technology, and I would like to learn about it. I don't want to be left in the dust. And I think it's important to at least know.
You want to know something?
What?
You're never going to be left in the dust, will you? Do?
Okay, I hope not.
It's impossible.
Okay.
I'm definitely in the dust when it comes to this stuff.
Okay.
Well, that's true. See you later, Jack.
I'm buried deep in the dust.
Yeah. In that dusty car of yours with the white hairs floating around.
That's me.
That's Jack
That's
on the
my
highway.
NFT.
That's Jack on the highway, floating hairs.
But I guess in order to experiment, there is a certain risk level that you're willing to take.
Early adopter.
Sometimes it doesn't pay off. You know, you just learn your lesson.
Yeah.
That's it.